guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to lighten and brighten the skin. We're going to clear hyperpigmentation from the skin. We're going to do this by making a DIY using no other ingredient than potato. We're not only going to be using potato, but we're also going to be using some aloe vera gel, some fresh aloe vera in this recipe. Now, I enjoy using potato on my skin over the years, and I create a variety of viral videos using potato on the skin. So today I'm going to share one such recipe with you. But before I do so, guys, I also want you to know that I have also created a skincare line around potato. We have the Supreme Age Renewal Anti-Aging Skincare Set using potato. So if you're interested in that, I'm going to insert the picture here for you to see. This is our products right here. We have from facial toners to serums to moisturizer, AM moisturizer, PM moisturizer, and we have an amazing eye cream that can help to reduce the dark under eye circles, eye bags, and puffy eyes. So if you're interested in that, visit my website ALESMAXii.com. Now, if you're somewhere you cannot get your hands on our products, not to worry, we got you covered, because in this video I am going to show you how you can make a facial wash that can also be double as a facial scrub. You're going to get the base, which we're using the potato and aloe vera and some other ingredient. You're going to use this on the skin to wash the skin and also to exfoliate the skin. So if you're interested in this video, continue watching. So here I have the potato, and to prepare the potato, the first thing I'm going to do is to peel the potato. Make sure to wash thoroughly. Now, potato is rich in anti-aging properties. Have to lighten, brighten, have to tighten and firm the skin. Next, I'm going to grate the potato, since all we need from the potato is the juice. So go ahead and grate. Once we grate the potato, then we are going to strain. Do not add any water to this. We're going to get the juice from the potato. So go ahead and strain, and you need to press as I'm showing here. You can also choose to use a cheesecloth to extract the potato juice. Now, once we have the potato juice, we're going to set this aside and move on to my next ingredient. My next ingredient is going to be aloe vera, and today I'm using fresh aloe vera. I'm going to extract the aloe vera gel, and to do so, I like to just peel the top and work my knife right under the top of the aloe vera, and next I'm going to go under the bottom, and this is how I extract the fresh aloe vera. Now, what I'm going to do with the aloe vera gel is to blend it to a liquid. So you can go ahead and reach for a blender. If you do not have a blender, you can pound on it to extract the gel. So place it in the blender, and I tend to chop it a bit, and then I place it in the blender. I'm not going to add any water to it. I'm just going to blend as is, since I want the fresh natural aloe vera gel. And take a look, here it is, a fresh aloe vera, and you can store this in your refrigerator for up to 7 days and use it whenever you are making your facial DIYs. Now, guys, I'm moving on to my next ingredient, and this is going to be lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, have the clear hyperpigmentation from the skin. Lemon also contains antioxidant that can help to brighten and lighten the skin. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to extract the lemon juice. You can choose to use lemon juice, or you can choose to use lemon zest in this recipe. Make sure to get rid of any seeds from the lemon. If you do not have lemon, you have lime, go ahead and use it. If you also have grapefruit, go ahead and use that instead of the lemon. And now what I'm going to do, I am going to mix the lemon juice with our potato juice. So I'm going to give it a stir like I'm showing here, because you know the starch of the potato normally settled in the bottom. So now let's pour about 2 tablespoons of our potato juice in the vase with the lemon juice, and now let's reach for our aloe vera gel And we're also going to use about 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel, adding this to the bowl. So here in our bowl, we have lemon juice, we have aloe vera gel, and we also have potato juice. And we are going to now mix this and mix well, combining all 3 ingredients together. This we're going to set aside for about 30 minutes to infuse, and then it is going to be ready to use on the skin. You can choose to use this as is to wash your face, or you can choose to add another ingredient to it to use as a facial scrub. I like to use it both ways, to either wash my face or exfoliate my face. So I'm going to show you how to make the exfoliator. You're going to reach for some brown sugar and about a tablespoon or 2 of brown sugar, and then you are going to go ahead and add some of our mixture to the brown sugar, a tablespoon or so, and then you're going to mix the 2 together like I'm showing here. Thoroughly mix the 2 together, and then it is now ready to use as an exfoliator. So wash your face first, and as I said, you can also use this to wash your face, and then you are going to exfoliate your skin. And exfoliating you're doing at least 2 to 3 times per week. Take this sugar-based facial exfoliator and exfoliate your entire face. You can also choose to exfoliate your neck and décolleté. Now once you're done, you're just gonna rinse this off and reveal amazing looking skin. I'm telling you guys, this potato recipe is so great for the skin. If you're skeptical, just give it a try. As I said, I love this so much that I create an entire skincare line around the potato. Potato is tightening the skin, brightening the skin, and lightening the skin. So don't shy away from it. Give it a try. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave your comment. And also, if you're interested in our Supreme Ultra Renewal collection, click on the view products link or visit our website ALESMAXii.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.